Tomato chutney looks so simple, but getting that restaurant taste is where most recipes go wrong. The secret lies in the perfect balance of spice, tanginess, and roasting the tomatoes in a right way. This simple recipe is going to help you to get that flavorful tomato chutney just like restaurant one. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this delicious tomato chutney. Into a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Roast it lightly. Dal really helps to get the right thickness to the chutney. Next, I am adding 2 small pieces of garlic. Fry it until garlic releases its aroma to the oil. 1 very small onion roughly chopped. Saute it for a couple of minutes. 2 to 3 red chilies. I'm adding both spicy red chili and badgi chili to get color and also spiciness. Next, the main ingredient, tomatoes. I'm adding 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. Here comes the important step, cooking the tomatoes in a medium-low flame very patiently. Cook it until they become soft, mushy and all the raw smell disappears. Add salt as per your taste. You can see this now, it is turning soft and mushy. It took almost 10 minutes for me to get to this point. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder. This is totally optional. Let it cool down. Let's go ahead and make a simple tadka for the chutney. 1 tablespoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and few red chilies, few curry leaves. Here the tomato mixture is completely cooled down. Put this into a mixer jar. Add a small piece of tamarind. You can skip this if your tomato is already sour enough. Add little water. Remember, tomato already contains plenty of moisture in it. Look at this. Smooth, nice, silky tomato chutney is ready. The color is also perfect. Let's pour this into a bowl. Pour tadka on top of it. This chutney goes very well with sabudana idli. The recipe for sabudana idli is already on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.